In this video, we'll show you how you can play audio from your Bluetooth headphones and speakers at the same time on a Samsung Galaxy phone. So to do this, first head to the settings app. Now tap on sounds and vibration. Now scroll down and then tap on separate app sound. Now first enable this feature. Now first you will need to select the app for which you want a different audio device. For instance, if you want your YouTube videos to play through your phone speaker, you can simply select the YouTube app from here. Now go back to the previous menu. Now select audio device and then set it to phone. Now what this will do is any sound from the YouTube app will always play through your phone speaker even though you have headphones connected. So this way you will be able to listen to your Instagram reels or take phone calls using your headphones while the YouTube's audio will be directed to your phone speaker. Similarly, you can also do it the other way around. So simply select this Bluetooth device from here. So this way any audio from the YouTube app will always play to your headphones and all the other sounds will play through your phone's speaker. So this works both ways. You can also select multiple apps. The same rules will apply to those apps. So this is how you can listen to your headphones and play audio through your phone speaker. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.